Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the specific kinetic energy. They give us the velocity at 32 meters per second. We can skip step 1 because there is no free body diagram. Step 2 lists the givens and the unknown. So they give us 32 meters per second. We want to find the specific kinetic energy, little ke. Step 3, find the formula for specific kinetic energy. So it is velocity squared divided by 2. Step 4, find the specific kinetic energy. So that is 32 meters per second squared divided by 2. Then divide by the conversion factor or multiply it depending how you see it. So the final answer is 0.512 kilojoules per kilogram. Disclaimers. The method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. So before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. You can click on the icon in your taskbar if it's not in your taskbar. Go into your Windows search and then type in snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. And if you never used snipping tool before, follow the instructions below. Okay, once you have it open, click on the video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Then hit the start button on the snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.